This HP OfficeJet printer 406050 series has been pretty good for me to use. I like it because it has, the basic functions for printing, but also faxing, scanning, copying, and it's wireless. It makes it so easy to use. This is a color printer, but I usually prefer the color in black and white. The papers come out here. We have the scanner underneath here. You can insert documents over here to copy. And right now it's only plugged in with one wire to the wall, and that's it. Everything else is wireless. And you can mess with this touch panel to configure your settings. I have it connected to my Wi-Fi right now. And let's do a print copy of a black and white photo. I don't have color ink right now, just to see how it looks like. So as you see right here, I clicked on a document on my computer, I sent it to the printer. It's engaging right now. This little flap comes out, and here's the print job. This is black and white again. It will take a while because it's an ink, not laser. And I'm printing a logo from my storefront just for as an example. That was pretty quick. Pretty decent quality. It's not so bad. And yeah, it works pretty fast. Now this is black ink. If it was colored, and it'll be a different story in terms of speed. This whole flap always pops out when you print, and you can just click it back in when you're done.